Magandang buhay po at welcome sa aking channel. Ngayon po ay tuturuan ko po kayo on how to apply theorems on triangle inequality. Like triangle inequality theorem, exterior angle theorem, and hinge theorem. So lahat po yan ay papaliwanag ko po at magbibigay po ako ng example para maintindihan po ninyo yung aking pagpapaliwanag. At sa ating pagpapatuloy, kung ikaw po ay bago sa aking channel, click mo lang ang like and subscribe upang sa gayon ay ma-update ka sa iba pang video tutorial po na aking i-upload. Sa ngayon po ay nagagawa po ako ng mga learning tasks at performance tasks ngayon pong 4th quarter. Okay, so bago po ako magbigay ng example about triangle inequality theorem, so bigyan po muna ng background yung theorem. So the sum of the two legs of a triangle is greater than the third side. So ano pong ibig sabihin ng theorem na yan? Okay? So dapat daw, kapag pinag-plus natin yung dalawang sides or legs ng triangle, that should be greater than the third side. Okay, try natin itong triangle na ito with 3 sides, 5, 6, and 10. So if we add the two sides or legs, 5 plus 6 is 11, and 11 is greater than 10. Okay? That is true. How about the other sides? Hindi lang po yung sides na yan. Try din po natin yung other side. So, 5 plus 10 is 15. That is greater than 6. And that is correct. Okay, how about the other sides? 10 plus 6 is 16. And 16 is greater than 5. Okay, so kapag lahat po ay greater than the third side, meaning to say, that is a triangle. Hindi po natin mapo-form na triangle kapag less than the third side. Okay, so let's try to apply the inequality theorem in some examples. Okay, let's try this number 1. Example. Use the triangle inequality theorem to tell whether a triangle can have sides with the given lengths. Okay, so let's try this. So, the three sides of the triangle daw is 4, 7, and 10. So, pwede bang maging sides yan ng triangle? Okay, let's try. So, paano natin matetest? So, ang solution po niyan is, again, you are going to add the two sides. So, ang sides niya ay 4, 7. Ang unang i-add natin is 4 and 7. So, 4 plus 7 is 11. And then, 11 should be greater than the third side, which is 10. And that is true. 11 is greater than 10. So, another one, the other sides. We will add 7 and 10. So, what is 7 plus 10? That is 17. That should be greater than the third side. So, greater than, anong third side hindi natin nakuha? 4. Is 17 greater than 4? Yes, that's true. How about the other sides? We add 4 and 10. So, 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. Is 14 greater than the third side na hindi natin nakuha? Ano yon? 7. So, 14 is greater than 7. That is true. So, if true, meaning to say, okay, pwedeng maging side yan ng triangle. Ano po? Okay, so how about this second example? 6, 9, and 15. So, itry natin kung pwedeng maging lengths yan ng sides ng triangle. Okay? So, again, we add the two sides. Try natin yung first two sides. 6 and 9. So, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Is 15 greater than the third side? Anong third side ay 15? Is 15 greater than 15? That is false. Okay? How about the other two sides? We try 9 and 15. 9 plus 15 is 24. Is 24 greater than the third side? Ano yung third side na di natin nakuha? 6. And that is true. How about the other sides? We try 6 and 15. What is 6 plus 15? That is 21. Is 21 greater than the third side? Ano yung third side? 9. 21 is greater than 9 and that is true. But if you notice, dalawa yung true, isa yung false. So kapag may isa na nag-false, meaning to say, hindi po yan pwedeng maging lengths ng side ng triangle. Ano po? Dapat po lahat po ay true kagaya po ng first example natin. Okay, so how about this question? Find the range of values for x using the triangle inequality theorem. So, kukunin daw natin yung range ng values for x. So, mean to say, hindi po exact yung kanyang value. Ano po? So, nasa bracket po siya. So, try natin yung first example. For example, ito po yung ating triangle with 3 sides. Okay? na given niya ay 5, 8, and x. So, paano po ba malalaman dyan o makukuha yung range ng x? So, mean to say, yung pwedeng maging values ng x. So, solution po natin. Okay, kunin natin yung tatlong sides, x, 5, and 8. So, kagaya po yung ginawa natin, we add the two sides. Okay, unahin natin yung x plus 5. Dapat po ay greater than the third side. Ang third side po dyan is 8. Ano po? And then, solve for x. X is greater than, transpose po natin yung 5 sa kabila, sa 8. Isama po natin and simplify. So, 8 plus 5 yun kaya magiging minus 5. So, 8 minus 5. So, x is greater than 3. Okay? Another one. Ang i-add naman natin ngayon ay yung 5 and 8. So, 5 plus 8 is greater than the third side, x. So, 5 plus 8 is 13 is greater than x. Okay? And then, yung dalawa naman po na sides, x and 8. So, x plus 8 is greater than the third side, 5. So, again, solve for x. X is greater than, transpose din natin yung 8. So, magiging 5 minus 8. So, x is greater than 5 minus 8 is negative 3. So, in this case, ang i-consider lang po natin ay yung positive value ng x. Huwag na po natin i-consider yung negative value. Okay, so ito po yung na-solve natin na positive values for x. So, x is greater than 3 and 13 is greater than x. So, solve na po natin yung kanyang range. So, ito para makuha yung range, ay babaltarin lang po natin yung x is greater than 3, magiging 3 is less than x. So, yung greater than magiging less than kapag pinagbaltad po yung values. Ganoon din po sa kabila, yung 13 is greater than x, magiging x is less than 13. Okay. So, since dalawa po yung nabanggit dyan na x, ayan po, ay pag-isain po natin. So, para makuha natin yung range. So, magiging 3 is less than x is less than 13. Okay, nasundan po ba? So, yung x ay pinag-isa lang. Then, pinagdugtong na po yung dalawa. Ano po? Dalawang values. Okay, so how about kapag ganito naman po yung question? In triangle BOS, BO is equal to 8, OS is equal to 10, and BS is equal to x. What is the range of possible values of BS? And if you notice, ang BS po dun sa ating problem ay x. So, paano po ba yan isolve yung kanyang range? Ganito lang po yan. Kailangan po i-draw po natin yung triangle. Ano po, para po masundan natin. Lalo na yung given. So, dyan, tama po yung ating given. BO is equal to 8, OS is equal to 10, and BS is equal to x. Okay? So, kagaya po nung unang example, try po natin yung tatlong measures ng sides, x, 8, and 10. Okay? So, add the two sides. X plus 8 is greater than the third side, 10. So, again, solve for x. X is greater than 10. Yung positive 8 magiging minus 8 sa kabila. So, x is greater than 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay? Try natin yung other two sides, 8 and 10. So, 8 plus 10 is greater than the third side, x. So, 8 plus 10 is 18 is greater than x. Okay? Try natin yung third side. X plus 8. O, ano po yung i-add natin dyan? Yung x and 10, rather. So, x plus 10 is greater than the third side, 8. And then, solve for x. Transpose ulit natin yung 10, magiging 8 minus 10. And 8 minus 10 is negative 2. So, x is greater than negative 2. So, again, consider lang natin yung positive values ng x. Okay, so ito yung positive values of x. X is greater than 2 and 18 is greater than x. Okay, again, interchange natin. So, magiging 2 is less than x at sa kabila naman ay x is less than 18. So, pinagpalit lang natin yung position. And combine yung x, magiging isa na lang. So, 2 is less than x is less than 18. So, yan na po yung range ng sides BS. Okay, so how about exterior angle theorem? Ito po yung kanyang definition. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. So, may nabanggit po na exterior angle at 2 remote interior angles. Saan po ba yan? So, if this is a triangle, yun pong X, yan po yung tinatawag na exterior angle. Nasa labas po. At yung interior, remote interior angles naman, ito po yun, yung nasa loob. Yung 50 and 60. Ano po? So, mean to say, kapag ipa-plus daw natin yung 50 at 60, yun po yung measurement ng X. So, sa equation, X is equal to 50 plus 60. Ano po? Yung 50 at 60, yun po yung remote interior angle. So, if you add, X is equal to 50 plus 60 is 110. So, therefore, ang 110 po, degree ay measurement po nung X. And that is the exterior angle. Okay, so let's try to apply the theorem in this example. Solve for X in the given figure. So, ito po yung figure. So, ang exterior angle po niya ay 8X plus 10. At yung 2 remote angles po niya ay 45 and 45 degree. Okay, so ang gagawin lang po natin, yung exterior angle, 8X plus 10, ay i-equal natin sa 2 remote interior angles niya na 45 and 45. So, 45 plus 45. And then add 45 plus 45 is 90. And then, transpose po natin yung 10, isama natin sa 90. So, 8x is equal to 90 plus 10 sa left, magiging minus 10 sa right. So, 90 minus 10 is equal to 80. Okay. So, if you notice, 8x is equal to 80. Ang gagawin lang po natin dyan ay divide 8 to both side of the equation to cancel 8. Ano po? So, kung ano po yung kasama ng x, yun po yung ating i-divide. Okay? So, cancel x. Ang matira po yun ay x is equal to 80 divided by 8 is equal to 10. So, yan na po yung value ng x. Okay? So, how about this problem or question? Find the value of x and y in the given triangle. So, ito naman po yung ating triangle. Okay? So, meron po siyang interior angles na x, y, and 50 at exterior angle na 95. So, susolve daw po natin yung x and y. Okay? So, unahin po natin yung value ng x. So, if you notice, ang interior angle po natin ay x, y, and 50. Ang remote interior angle po ng 95 is x and 50. So, 95 is equal to, i-add lang natin yung 2 remote angles. Yan po yung 50 and x, so x plus 50. And then, solve for x. Okay? So, ilipat lang po natin yung 50 sa left. Isama po natin sa 95. So, magiging 95 plus 50 kasi sa right, kaya sa left magiging minus 50. So, sa 95 minus 50 is equal to x. And 95 minus 50 is 45 is equal to x. Or, pwedeng baliktarin, x is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so yan na po yung value ng x. How about for y? So if you notice, yung y po ay ito, meron po siyang relationship sa 95 na exterior angle. If you notice, sila po ay linear pair. Okay, ibig sabihin, kapag pinag-plus mo po yung 95 at yung value ng y, dapat ay 180 degrees. So in reverse, para makuha yung y, ma-minus lang natin yung 180 ng 95. Ano po? So, y is equal to 180 minus 95 is 85 degrees. So, yan na po yung value ng y. Okay, so salamat po sa inyong panonood. Nawa po ay natulungan ko kayo sa inyong aralin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video.